Hello, my name is Coach Frazier. I teach seventh grade geography. I'm also a cross country coach for grade 7 through 12. You'll notice here I'm a Razorback fan and show the foot there, the shoe for cross country and track, and then the Russellville Gales. Okay, we have here Muddy Creek Farm. This is a farm that we go to vacation on. It says we don't rent pigs. That's just a funny little thing from Lonesome Dove. We have horses and we like to deer hunt, and it's a good place to get away close to Lake Washita. Okay, this is my family. That's me and my kids in the middle. Brendan, he's 26 and he is a graduate of the University of Arkansas in engineering and is now in dental school at LSU in New Orleans. Allison is an eighth grader and on the dance team at Russellville Junior High. And in the corner down here on the right, that's my wife Stacy. She also works here. The picture down on the left is Brendan at dental school at LSU. Okay, here's just two of hundreds or thousands of pictures that I've had of my kids over the years running cross country. The two girls on the right were part of the cross country state runner-up team 3 years ago. That's Astrid and Maddie. And then a picture of some of my guys at our annual color run about 2 or 3 years ago. Didn't get to do that this year, but cross country is a big joy of mine because I like it, and also the kids are so outstanding. Okay, I have coached in high school. I played football, and I coached football before I came here. That is certainly one of my great passions: Razorback football, Razorback cross country, and the picture down on the left is a picture of me and two of my colleagues that worked together on the same football staff in El Dorado. We won 3 straight state titles. On the bottom right there, you'll see two things that I really love: a football field and snow. We hadn't seen that in a while. Okay, one of my great passions in life has been deer hunting. We've killed a lot of deer over the years. There's a picture of my dad on the left there with one of his recent bucks, and there's one that I killed in Montgomery County this past year. Um, that's a family tradition each year. Okay, here's a picture on the left is my mom posing for us in her El Dorado stuff from years back, and this is a picture of the new Ranger we just bought that we take to our farm and ride around in the National Forest. There's a picture of my daughter Allison and her friend Kennedy. Okay, some more pictures of stuff that I'm really passionate about. We've talked about the Razorbacks hunting, the actual state of Arkansas, and there is my dog Duke. He's now 5 years old. He is a pain in the butt, but I love him. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.